Hello everyone, it's Darryl here from Youth Work Team talking about skills for adolescence, and we're looking at Unit 2.3, Stool of Self-Confidence, and look at the skills you'll need to be a confident person. This will probably help you to think about your transition to secondary school. I know that the support structures around school at the moment, in primary school to secondary school, maybe aren't around as much as you'd like, so there might be a bit of anxiety about that. So other films that you're going to be getting over the next few days are around mindfulness and relaxation, just trying to cope with some of the stresses that are coming around at this time, so we can help you to go to secondary school and hopefully learn some skills that help you for the future as well. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a stool of confidence. Now, here's one I made earlier. It's a three-legged stool. So why do you think 3 legs? Well, it's a very stable structure. Take quite a lot of weight as well with this one. And each of these legs, without one of these legs, then the stool wouldn't be as stable as it could be. So each of these legs are going to represent a different part of confidence that help you for the future. So on the top, what I'll do is I'll just stick Stool of Self-Confidence. And then on the legs, we're going to be looking at these 3 items here. Developing skills, respecting yourself and others, and acting responsibly. So if I cut those up too, biggest scissors in the world. Probably not, might be some bigger, but these are the biggest ones I've got. So if then I stick some glue on here, I'm going to wrap these around the legs. Okay, so acting responsibly. Okay, that's not sticking. Okay, and then we've got developing skills. So all of these things, these 3 things, helps you to have self-confidence. What we're going to be doing as well, we're going to be sending out some sheets, some worksheets with this, just so you can further explore this at home. So now we've got those on there. So for those 3 things to be able to support you, those 3 things need to be in place. And what we're going to do now is look at that a little bit further. So there's our stool of confidence. Someone did say that they needed to see my dachshund sitting on here, just to show how strong it was. So there you go, that's how strong it is. Come on, Godfrey. Okay, so what we're looking at is some worksheets that are going to be sent out with this. So here's the discovering activity, and you're going to be able to look at these different things here and tick them to see if you have these skills and able to act responsibly as well. We're also going to send out this, so you can look at any other ideas that you might have around developing skills, respecting yourself and acting responsibly. So that's a quick look at the Stool of Self-Confidence from Skills for Adolescence, and it's been Unit 2.3 over to you from the Youth Work Team and the Youth Endowment Funded Branching Out Programme. Thank you.
How did you feel when you heard about COVID-19 and the lockdown?
I felt a bit afraid and unsure about what was going to happen.
What do you think you've missed out on with not being able to go to school?
I feel a bit disappointed that we're not doing stats because we've all worked so hard for it. And also the fun stuff like prom and end of school production with friends.
What do you like about being homeschooled?
I get to spend a lot more time with my family.
How do you feel about starting high school?
I feel a bit nervous because it's a lot bigger than primary school and I'm a bit afraid that I might get lost. But I'm also excited because of all the new people I'll meet.